When most people think of solar energy, they think of rooftop panels. But solar panels can be expensive to install and really aren't an option if you rent, live in an apartment, or ever plan to move. At Arcadia, we believe everyone should be able to choose solar without making a costly commitment. After all, it's the cheapest and most abundant energy on the planet. Here's how community solar makes that possible. When you sign up, we reserve your spot in a local solar farm for free. If the solar farm is still under construction, it might take a couple of months before you see any changes. But once the project goes live, the sun gets to work and clean energy flows into your local power grid. Because solar energy is less expensive than fossil fuel energy, you see lower power bills every month. And we'll never ask you for your credit score or make you commit to a long-term contract. It's all the savings of solar without any of the cost or headache of installing your own panels. Plus, you'll be part of a movement bringing clean energy to your local area for years to come.